Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Easter egg decorating kits are probably one of the most exciting and creative ways to bring the spirit of spring and the joy of Easter into your home, offering a delightful activity for families and individuals alike to transform plain eggs into vibrant works of art. These kits provide everything you need, from dyes and stickers to paints and glitter, ensuring a fun and mess-free experience that results in beautifully decorated eggs perfect for hiding, displaying, or even gifting, making them an essential part of any Easter celebration. Number 5. Eggmazing Egg Decorator. Tired of messy egg decorating? Introducing the Eggmazing Egg Decorator, the original and easiest way to create beautiful Easter eggs. Simply place your egg inside, choose your favorite color, and let the magic happen. It spins your egg perfectly for a flawless design every time. This decorating kit is perfect for family fun. Kids and adults alike will love creating unique and vibrant eggs for Easter. Say goodbye to paint splatters and uneven lines. Our unique system ensures a clean and enjoyable decorating experience. Don't settle for imitations. Get the original Eggmazing Egg Decorator and make your Easter celebrations truly special. Gather your loved ones and create beautiful, personalized Easter eggs together. It's more than just decorating, it's about making memories. What we like? This is the original spinner decorator, offering a mess-free way to create unique egg designs. If you're looking for a simple, clean, and original way to decorate eggs, this is a fantastic choice for families with young children who want to avoid the typical dye mess. What people say. The kit includes a variety of vibrant dyes and fun stickers that made decorating the eggs a blast for the kids. We love the included egg spinner tool. It made getting an even coat of paint so much easier and less messy. The kit came with plenty of decorating supplies, enough for dozens of eggs, and the colors were bright and appealing. Number 4. Eggmazing Easter Egg Mini Decorator Kit. Get ready for endless fun with the Eggmazing Easter Egg Decorator. It's the perfect way to decorate eggs for Easter or any time of year. Enjoy hours of creativity without the mess. Our unique design means no dyes, no smells, and no cleanup, keeping all the fun contained. Unleash your creativity with its special spinning action. Simply touch a marker to create endless, exciting designs on your eggs. It's easy for everyone to use, regardless of age. Get the whole family involved in decorating eggs for holidays or just for fun. This complete kit includes the decorator and 6 colorful markers. Just add batteries and let the decorating begin. What we like? This compact spinner kit comes with markers for immediate decorating fun. If you want a self-contained decorating experience that's easy to set up and use, especially for younger kids, this is a great option for quick and creative Easter fun. What people say. The kit includes a variety of vibrant colors and fun accessories for decorating. Easy to use for kids, with clear instructions and mess-free options. Great value for the amount of decorating supplies provided. Number 3. Engfa Easter Egg Decorating Kit. Introducing the Engfa Easter Egg Decorating Kit, the ultimate way to bring your Easter eggs to life. This kit is designed for endless fun and creativity for kids of all ages. Our innovative spinner makes decorating a breeze. Simply place an egg, turn it on, and watch it spin smoothly. You can easily draw colorful, clean lines without any mess. This comprehensive kit includes a decorating machine, 12 colorful markers, and 30 plastic eggs with slings. It's the perfect Easter helper and basket filler for hours of enjoyment. Whether you're using the included plastic eggs or real ones, this decorator works perfectly. Just insert an egg, clamp it, and let the spinner do the work. Requires 3 AA batteries, not included. Crafted from premium, non-toxic, and durable materials, this kit ensures safety for your children. The markers use fadeless, non-toxic pigments for vibrant and lasting designs. Looking for an ideal Easter gift? This kit provides a wonderful opportunity for families to bond and create lasting memories together. It's perfect for Easter crafts, games, and activities. What we like? Featuring a patented spinner design, this kit includes a generous amount of plastic eggs and also works with real eggs. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that provides plenty of eggs to decorate and a reliable spinner mechanism, this is ideal for a complete Easter decorating session. What people say. The kit includes a variety of vibrant dyes and fun stickers that made decorating the eggs a blast for the kids. We love the easy-to-use egg dipper, which prevented any accidental cracks and made the dyeing process much cleaner. The glitter glue pens added a beautiful sparkle to our Easter eggs, and they dried quickly without smudging. Number 2. Engfa Easter Egg Decorating Kit. Looking for a fun and clean way to decorate Easter eggs this year? Our decorating kit offers a mess-free solution for hours of creative enjoyment. This all-in-one kit comes with everything you need to get started, including plastic eggs, colorful markers, and a handy decorating spinner. Whether you're using the included plastic eggs or real ones from home, this spinner works perfectly to create beautiful designs. Crafted from durable, non-toxic materials, you can be assured of a safe and enjoyable crafting experience for your little ones. Surprise your kids with this exciting Easter gift that encourages creativity and fine motor skills. It's perfect for boys and girls who love to create. Simply place an egg in the spinner, turn it on, and watch it rotate smoothly. Kids can easily draw colorful lines without any mess. What we like? Designed for mess-free decorating, especially for toddlers, this kit includes plastic eggs and a cute bunny-shaped spinner. If you have very young children and want a safe, easy-to-use, and fun decorating activity that minimizes cleanup, this is a perfect choice for little artists. What people say. The kit includes a variety of vibrant colors and fun stickers, making it easy for kids to create unique egg designs. All the decorating materials are non-toxic and safe for children, providing peace of mind for parents. The instructions are clear and simple, allowing even young children to participate and enjoy the decorating process independently. Number 1. Klever 41 PCS Easter Egg Decorating DIY Kit. Get ready for an exciting Easter with this all-in-one decorating kit. It's packed with everything your child needs to create colorful and unique Easter eggs. This super value pack includes dyes, stands, dippers, and even fun stickers for endless decorating possibilities. It's designed to help create up to 40 unique eggs. Watch your child's imagination soar as they design their own Easter masterpieces. It's a perfect activity for family gatherings and parties, encouraging creativity. We prioritize your child's safety. This kit is made with food-safe, non-toxic, and BPA-free materials, meeting all U.S. toy safety standards. Looking for a unique Easter gift? This decorating kit is sure to delight children and provide hours of creative fun. It's a gift that brings joy. We are committed to providing exceptional quality and customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, we're here to help ensure your experience is joyful. What we like? This kit offers a traditional dyeing experience with the addition of fun stickers for unique customization. If you enjoy the classic egg dyeing process but want to add extra flair and creativity with stickers and glitter glue, this value pack is excellent for group activities and parties. What people say. The kit includes a variety of vibrant colors and fun stickers, making decorating eggs a blast for kids. Easy to use and mess-free, perfect for families with young children. Great value for money, providing hours of entertainment and creativity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.